Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make queso ice cream. Start by softening cream cheese, melting shredded queso, and whisking with sweetened condensed milk and cream until silky. Chill the base completely, stir in roasted chilies and a pinch of salt, then churn according to your ice cream maker instructions. Taste and adjust salt or heat, then freeze until firm. This method keeps flavors bright and texture luxuriously creamy for a fun twist. Start with high-quality dairy for the creamiest result, and choose a mild, melty cheese like Monterey Jack or Queso Fresco. Sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and stabilizes the texture without eggs. Roast and peel chilies to deepen flavor and fold them in after chilling so they stay distinct. Taste for seasoning before churning and adjust salt or sugar if needed. This approach gives a balanced, scoopable queso ice cream that surprises guests. For a velvety texture, temper warm melted cheese into cold cream by adding it gradually while whisking. Let the base rest and chill for several hours so flavors marry and the mixture firms slightly. Churn according to your machine's instructions, aiming for a soft serve consistency before moving to the freezer. Pack tightly in a shallow container to freeze faster and avoid large ice crystals. A short rest before serving helps scoop cleanly and taste fully developed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.